Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mojito Pudina. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need vibrant mint leaves and juicy limes. Also, have your simple syrup and white rum ready. Don't forget the club soda and plenty of ice to ensure your drink is perfectly chilled and refreshing. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious beverage. Now, let's get to the fun part. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle about 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves with 2 to 3 lime wedges. This releases their aromatic oils without tearing them. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite white rum, followed by 1 ounce of simple syrup. Stir these ingredients together briefly to combine them well. With your muddled mint, lime, rum, and simple syrup in the glass, it's time for ice. Fill your glass completely with ice cubes to ensure your mojito is perfectly chilled. Then, top off the mixture with about 2 to 3 ounces of crisp club soda. Give it a gentle stir with a long spoon to integrate all the flavors without losing the fizz. To complete your Mojito Pudina, a beautiful garnish is key. Take a fresh mint sprig and gently clap it between your palms to release its aroma before placing it in the glass. You can also add a thin lime wheel to the rim for an elegant touch. Serve your refreshing mojito immediately and savor the perfect blend of mint, lime, and rum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.